Whether you're running a small business or leading a department at a major company, hiring the right workers and nurturing their growth can be challenging.
There's a large amount of people retiring, a lot of baby boomers who are going out, and this gives us a chance to put talent of all ages actually in the program, get some skills, get an education, and check the box off.
Finding and keeping great talent is exactly what apprenticeship programs provide to employers across the state. Apprentices earn while they learn through on-the-job training and classroom learning in multiple industries, including jobs in healthcare, financial services, information technology, hospitality, agriculture, education, and much more.
One of the things that we had struggled with in our community is being able to recruit more drivers. There's just a small population of individuals in our area. So having our trucks full because of the apprenticeship program and the additional employees that we have now driving for us, it's completely changed our bottom line. It's been huge to the company. Apprenticeship Illinois has completely exceeded my expectations on an apprenticeship program. It was easy to get started. We've had more hires than what I could have expected, and their performance has been amazing.
The opportunity to invest in human capital as a growth engine for the business is just as important as having a meaningful revenue-generating product or service to offer to the market.
Those investments pay big dividends because apprenticeships lead to increases in retention, productivity, and diversity.
Apprenticeships are about creating opportunity for people who might not have those opportunities traditionally. It's about creating real support systems, and it's about creating more diverse talent pipelines.
Companies can build a strong, diverse workforce using the apprenticeship model.
From my perspective and from what I've seen with our program and with our apprentices, any expense, any amount of time that we're taking, it's 100% worth it.
Employers see boosts to company culture and productivity thanks to the crucial mentorship apprentices receive in the classroom and on the job.
One of my prouder moments of last year, a guy that wasn't making the mark, he was put on last chance and he was moved over to work with me. Well, a year later, he got his first raise, and that made me feel really good. The tuition's all paid through my employer and grants and stuff, so there's no out-of-pocket expenses to us.
There are grants, there's tax benefits to this. It's helped a lot of companies in getting new talent in. We have to be ready for 21st century, and what better way to do this, to get people in, educate them, and teach them at the same time. We're getting so much, we're seeing people succeed, and they mentor the ones that are coming behind them, and so they're paying it forward.
To help your company tap into a new resource of talent, go to apprenticeshipillinois.com.